At Evostyle, we specialise in solid timber manufacturing, components, architectural parts, furniture. There's very few people that do what we do to the level of what we do in this country. Our clients see the value in that, and we have to keep expanding to meet their needs. Having Louise and her skills of CAD modelling and architecture combined with my knowledge of programming and woodwork, it helps us to understand projects thoroughly from the get-go and produce the products that set us apart from anyone else. Visitors are often surprised to see guys working at their bench, hand shaping and fabricating pieces of furniture the old-fashioned way, and then get round the corner and there'll be 3 5-axis robotic machines working on the most intricate jobs that you could imagine. So it's a good fusion between the old and the new. You really need the touch of a human to finish it off and give it that beautiful feel that people look for in a finished product.
We can do so many different things in-house, do so many different things in solid wood. Our guys know all about solid wood. They know how difficult it is to get right and to understand how timber will move and behaves. You never know who's going to ring up next and what they're going to ask for. We can work on smaller, really interesting, perhaps difficult bespoke projects, but also have the capabilities of large commercial projects as well. And we're finding that customers are starting to see the advantage of buying through us directly. Not only do we have a really clear understanding about the brief and we can supply our own expert knowledge, but also because they're buying direct from the people that are making it, and that's always a cost saving. We want our clients to not only be happy with what we've provided for them, but actually be excited about what we've given them, that we've actually exceeded their expectations, not just met them.